quick showing you the fix here for this problem. I drew something on this wall here. I want to cut this hole out, or I want to add something to it. And I go to my push-pull, and it says it really doesn't cut a hole, or it says I can't do it. So what happened is I have the walls as a group, and I have my drawing outside of the group. So if I go in the group to try to work with it, I can't. So it's like there's two separate areas here. So here is the fix for those two separate areas. What I want to do is I want to highlight with a window over the top of all of this. Right click, hit cut, go inside my group. Now I'm in the group. I can tell because I got these gray dotted lines around. Everything else kind of grays out. And if I right click and I hit not paste, but I hit this paste in place, it comes right into the right spot in the group. Now I can do my push-pull, and it cuts like I expected it to do. So that's how you do a quick fix of working with inside and outside of groups.